One of the things I like to do in order to just reset my mind completely is a nature walk. Period. It just resets me all the way. And there's nothing I love more than being in the presence of water, whether it's lake, whether it's pond, beach. It's just something about being by the water that just reset my whole mental being. Like it seemed like all the stress and the anxiety just vanishes. I'm completely in my element right here. Extremely therapeutic. It is so beautiful out here. This lake is in McGee, Mississippi.